This game's for all the kids who love Band-Aids. We're playing Hospital Tag. Here, we're developing balance and coordination skills and having some fun. Use 4 cones to create a square space. Everyone gets a ball. Here's how it looks. Players dribble the ball around the space while trying to tag each other and not get tagged.
Hold your arm, hold your arm. If they tagged your arm, hold one arm in.
If a player gets tagged, it's a boo-boo or an owie, whatever you want to call it. The player grabs the arm or leg that got tagged and they keep dribbling with a hand on that spot. Get tagged a second time? Ouch! Again. Hold both spots and keep dribbling.
Up, hold your other arm in.
Yes, we're taking the whole no hands idea very seriously. Your players will quickly see how hard it is to stay balanced without their arms. That's the point. If a player gets tagged a third time, it's time to see the doctor, aka you, the coach.
Come on, Madison, bring your ball, you need your ball in the hospital.
They dribble over to you where you perform a magical healing ritual to send them back into the fray.
Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go! Back in, you're back in!
Coaches, we want our players using small touches to control the ball, like that, to change direction away from taggers, and heads up to find targets, to spot taggers, and to avoid crashing into all of them. Remember, small touches, heads up, dodge the tag.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, go! Magic bells! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go! Back in the game you go!
And if they come down with a case of the giggles, you're doing it right.